Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? Fine?
Good morning, ma'am.
Finish
Yes.
your breakfast?
Good morning, ma'am. No.
No?
Ma'am.
Okay, maybe after this class. Yes? Okay. So children, we are learning addition and subtraction of like fractions. So how we will do addition and subtraction of like fractions? Before that, what is like fraction? Fractions with same denominator. Fractions with same denominator is like fractions. Then how we will add like fractions? We will add only.
Denominator. Numerator.
Very good. We will add only the numerators. If you want to, then write down the same denominator. Denominator we are not adding. So Len, can you read question number 19? Can you take page number 18? All of you please take page number 18. Question number 19. Can you read?
Arun brings 2 tenths of milk from the jug. Ravi drinks 1/10 of it.
Number?
Okay.
Sunil drinks
One minute. I will
4
mute everyone. Page number 18. Okay. It's not clear, Len. I will, you can read it again because of some distractions. Okay. Arun,
Arun drinks 10, 2
2
tenths.
tenth. 2 tenth means 2 by 10. 2 tenths means 2 by 10 of the milk. Okay.
2 tenths of the milk from the jug. Ravi drinks 1/10 of it, and Sunil drinks 4/10. What fraction of the milk is left in the jug?
Okay. So Arun, Ravi, and Sunil. So we had to find out how much milk is left. So to find out how much milk is left, what we had to find out how much milk was drank by these three children. So we'll start together. Okay, fraction of the milk. Fraction of the milk that Arun drank. How much? 2 by 10. And fraction of the milk, Ravi. Yes, how much Delna Ravi? Ravi drank how much?
1 by
1 by 10. And Sunil drank 4 by 10. Can you tell me the total? 2 plus 1 plus 4. 2 plus 1 plus 4. Yes, Binnu. What is the total fraction of the milk that was drank? 2 plus 1?
3,
3 plus 4?
7.
7. So the total milk was drunk by Arun, Ravi and Sunil, that is equal to 7 by 10. So children, we will write the steps together. Page number 18, question number 19. Okay. Page number 18. Question 19. So what's that? Fraction of milk that Arun drank. Children, we can write together. Start fast. Fraction of milk. Fraction of milk that Arun drank. Fraction of milk that Arun drank. How much? 2 by 10. 2 by 10. Now, the same step, you had to change only the name. Instead of Arun, Ravi and Sunil also, we had to write the same steps like this. Next to fraction of milk that Ravi drank. Fraction of milk that Ravi drank. Ravi drank how much? 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Now we have to write the same step with the Sunil. Fraction of milk that Sunil drank. Fraction of milk that Sunil drank. It's 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Children, write fast, okay? So we have fraction of milk that Arun drank, 2 by 10. Fraction of milk that Ravi drank, 1 by 10. Fraction of milk that Sunil drank, 4 by 10. Now total fraction of milk. Total fraction of milk. Total fraction of milk that Arun, Ravi and Sunil drank. So we can write total fraction of milk drank. Two by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 4 by 10. So Nora, what's the total? We said already. What's the total fraction of milk? 7 by 10. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4. That is equal to 7 by 10. Okay. Now the question is not over. We had to find out what fraction of the milk is left in the jug. Okay, what fraction of the milk is left in the jug? Shabari, can you tell me how we can find out what fraction of milk is left? How we can find out? Yes, Shabari? Can you
Yes,
hear?
ma'am.
What fraction of the milk left? We have to subtract from the total. So what is the total? Hmm? It's not audible. Yes, Ethan. What is the total fraction here?
7 by 8.
7 by 10.
10.
That was the total fraction of the milk drank. Now we had to find out the fraction of milk left in the jug. So from where we had to subtract? The whole. What is the whole here?
10 by 10.
Very good. 10
10
by
by
10. Okay, 10 by 10. From 10 by 10, we had to take away 7. So what's the answer? 10 minus 7? 10 minus 7? 10 minus 7.
3 by 10.
3 by 10. So children, we had to write the final step here. So the total fraction of the milk drank, that is 7 by 10. Now we had to write fraction of milk left. Fraction of milk left. Fraction of milk left. So the whole is here 10 by 10. Why? Because the denominator is 10. So the full means the numerator and denominator should be the same. So 10 by 10 minus 7 by 10. So the answer is 3 by 10. So we can write, therefore, 3 by 10 of the milk is left in the jug. Therefore, Therefore, 3 by 10 of the milk is left. Is left in the jug.
4. 10.
Okay. So Therefore, 3/10 of the milk is left in the jug.
Yes. Left in the
Okay, children, write it fast. So here what we have done, Arun drinks 2/10. So it is 2/10. Ravi drank 1/10. Sunil drank 4/10. So here in the previous, here we have written fraction of milk Arun drank, that is 2/10. Ravi 1/10. Then the final what we had to do, total fraction, that is equal to 7/10. Now what is, we had to find out fraction of milk left. So the total, the whole, that is 10, 10/10 minus 7/10, 3/10. Therefore, how much is remaining in the jug? 3/10 of the milk. Okay, Angelo, can you read the next question? 20.
Ma'am,
Question number 20.
Harish-
Harisharan,
Adisharan and
Rani.
Rani ate 1/5 and 2/5 of a cake.
Hmm.
Re-
How
res-
much respectively?
Respectively, how much cake did they eat together? How much cake is left?
Okay. So Harisharan and Rani, they ate how much cake? 1/5 and 2/5. Now what we had to find out, how much cake did they eat together? Yes. Can you tell me, Aiden, how much cake they ate together? Harisharan 1/5, Rani 2/5. So what is the total? 1/5 plus
3/5.
1/5 plus 2/5, which is equal to 3/5. Okay. So we have to find out the total. Then we have to find out how much cake is left. So we will write together. Yes. Yes, Aiden?
Ma'am, will you send the notes?
Yes, yes. You are not writing? Okay, question number 20. Fraction of cake eaten by Harisharan. Fraction of cake eaten by Harisharan. Harisharan, the cake eaten, that is 1/5. Now, Rani, the cake eaten by Rani is 2/5. Fraction of cake eaten by Rani. Two by 5. Now we have to write total fraction of the cake eaten by Harisharan and Rani. Total fraction. Total fraction of the cake eaten by total fraction of the cake eaten by Harisharan and Rani. So we have to add 1/5 plus 2/5. That we already discussed. The answer is 3/5. Total fraction of the cake eaten by Harisharan and Rani, that is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. The answer is 3 by 5. So Harisharan and Rani ate 3 by 5 of the cake together. Harisharan and Rani ate 3 by 5 of the cake together. Together. So children, here fraction of the cake eaten by Harisharan, that is equal to 1 by 5. Fraction of cake eaten by Rani, that is equal to 2 by 5. Now we will find out the total fraction of the cake eaten by Harisharan and Rani, which is that we had to add 1 by 5 and 2 by 5, which is equal to 3 by 5. Now Harisharan and Rani ate 3 by 5 of the cake together. The question is not over. We have to find out how much cake is left. How much cake is left? Well, can you tell me how we can find out how much cake is left? How we can find out?
Subtract.
Subtract from? Subtract the whole. The whole is what? Look at the denominator. Look at the denominator.
3.
Denominator.
5.
5. So what is the whole?
3 by 5.
3 by 5 is the total fraction of the cake eaten by Harisharan and Rani. Now we have to subtract this 3 by 5 from the whole. Whole means what here? We know that 5 is the denominator. Angela, can you help me? Well,
Ma'am,
what is the
5
whole?
by 5.
5 by 5. 5 by 5. How we can write whole? The numerator and denominator should be the same. Look at the previous question number 19. Question number 19, the denominator was 10. So what is the whole? 10 by 10. So children, all word problems what we have done here, we are finding the how much is left. What we had to do? We had to subtract from the whole. Okay. Here, so what we had to write here now? Fraction of cake left. Fraction of cake left. Fraction of cake left. So here the denominator is 5. So the whole means 5 by 5. If the numerator and denominator, they are same, that means that is the full. So to find out the how much is left, what we have to do? The whole minus how much is eaten by them? 3 by 5. So what's the answer? What's the answer here? Ananda Krishnan, are you there? Ananda Krishnan. 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5.
5 by 1.
5 minus 3.
5 minus 3. 2.
2. So the answer is 2 by 5.
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Therefore, 2 by 5 of the cake is left. Therefore, 2 by 5 of the cake is left. By 5 of the cake is left. So fraction of the cake left. If in what we had to find out, if something, what is remaining, how much we had, how much cake is left. We had to find out the total minus. So here the total is 5 by 5 minus how much was eaten by Harisharan and Rani together. Together that is 3 by 5. So we have to take away 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 that is equal to 2. So therefore 2 by 5 of the cake is left. Therefore 2 by 5 of the cake is left. Finished? Yes, children, over. Okay, so here what we have done, one more time, those who are not finished. Here, that fraction of the cake that is eaten by Harisharan is 1 by 5. Then by Rani, eaten by Rani is 2 by 5. Total fraction we had to find out. When we add, what we will get? 3 by 5. So what we had to find out here now, how much is cake is left? Fraction of cake left is equal to 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. What's the answer? 2 by 5. Therefore, 2 by 5 of the cake is left. Algan, can you read the next question? Question number 21.
Nisha ate
4
4
by
by
9.
9 of chocolate bar in the morning and 2 by 9 in the evening. What percent of the
What portion?
chocolate bar is remaining? When did she eat more chocolate?
Okay, so Nisha ate. What she has eaten? Chocolate bar. In the morning, how much? 4 by 9. Look at your question and then tell me 4 by 9 in the morning. How much in the evening? Akshaj, can you look at the question and tell me how much Nisha ate, how much portion she ate in the evening? 2 by 9. 2 by 9. So can you, what portion of the chocolate bar is remaining? How we can find out? Can you tell me how much total she has eaten in the morning plus evening? 4 by 9 plus
By 9.
2 by 9. So what's the answer? 4 plus 2?
By 9.
6 by 9. Very good. Okay, children. So what we had to find out here, how much is remaining. So we'll write together. So Nisha ate how much in the morning, how much in the evening, then we had to add. Okay, question number 21. Question number 21. Part of the chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the morning. Part of the Yes, Shabri, are you writing? Part of the chocolate bar. Part of the chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the morning. Eaten by Nisha. In the morning. Four by 9. Same step, part of the chocolate bar, we have to write with evening. Part of the chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the evening. Part of the chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the evening. 2 by 9. 4 by 9. Here it is now 2 by 9. Now what we had to find out? Total part of the chocolate bar eaten. Total part of the chocolate bar eaten. Total part of the chocolate bar eaten. So Ekraj, can you tell me? Ekraj, what is the total? Akshaj already told the answer. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9. Total part of the chocolate bar eaten. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9. What's the answer? Yes, Ekraj. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2?
6.
6. So the answer is 6 by 9. 6 by 9. Okay, so children, the question is not over. So here what we have done, part of chocolate bar eaten by Nisha in the morning, that is equal to 4 by 9. Then in the evening, it is 2 by 9. So total part we have found out. So what is that? 2 by 9. Now what we had to find out, how much part is remaining. How much part is remaining? So part of chocolate bar, 4 by 9 in the morning, 2 by 9 in the evening. Then the total part we have written 6 by 9. Then what we'll do? Next step, part of the chocolate bar remaining. Part of the chocolate bar remaining. How much is remaining? How we can find out? Evangel, can you tell me? Evangel, what is the total here? The whole? Yes, Evangel. From where we had to subtract? Krishnesh, can you help? Yes, Shabari. From where we had to subtract? Yes?
9 by 9.
9 by 9. Very good. 9 by 9 minus how much it's eaten? That is 6 by 9. So what's the answer? 9 minus 6? 3 by 9. Now we had to write one more question. So when did she eat more chocolate? When did she eat more? Yes, Delna. Nisha ate 4 by 9 in the morning, 2 by 9 in the evening. Which is more? 4 by 9 or 2 by 9?
4 by 9.
4 by 9. Very good. So that means she ate more in the morning. So children, that also we had to find out, as 4 by 9 is greater than 2 by 9. Because children, we know 4 is greater than 2. So 4 by 9 is greater than 2 by 9. Nisha ate more in the morning. Nisha ate more chocolate bar in the morning. Or we can write more in the morning. Okay. So children, here what all things we had to find out? How much Nisha ate together. So what we had to find out? Morning 4 by 9 plus evening 2 by 9, that is equal to 6 by 9. Then what we had to find out? Part of the chocolate bar that is remaining. So part of chocolate bar, how we will find out? 9 by 9 minus 6 by 9, which is that answer? 3 by 9. One more question is there. What's that? When did she eat more chocolate? She ate more in the morning. Why? Because 4 by 9 is greater than 2 by 9. You know 4 is greater than 2. So 4 by 9 is greater than 2 by 9. So Nisha ate more in the morning. So children, our time is up. Write it fast. I will send the notes also. Okay? Finished? Ridu, did you finish? Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, 4 by 9 greater than 2 by 9. So Nisha ate more in the morning. Okay. So we'll wind up the class now. I will send the notes. If anyone not completed or any problem with the network, please complete. I will send the notes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.